The sixth question, how we can do? The first equation is very simple, given that bx plus ay is equal to a plus b, a small equation. A set of graphical problem here, and the next set is here elimination method, a set of questions. I think you can do very simple. Okay. Then next one is substitution method. Okay. Substitution method, there are some simple questions. So I think we can do one. Okay, which one?
Sir, the 34th question second.
Okay, 34th one, second one. How we can do this? Shift 7 to right side. Shift 7 to right side. Okay, so it will become x minus y is equal to 14 by 7, right? 14 by 7 is 2. So the first equation will become x minus y is equal to 2. Very simple, right? And how can you do second one, this question? How can you do? Okay, first equation is
just
okay.
add.
Yeah. Adding you can
multiply with 2 x
okay.
and y.
Okay, multiply with the 2, you can cancel the fraction. Okay, that's fine. But here you look, the y coefficients of y terms are already equal. Okay, so fraction, you know how to deal with the fraction. So here, from the given equations itself, the y terms, coefficients of y terms are equal with the opposite side. So if you add these two equations, you can cancel the y terms. So if you go for removing the fractions first, what will happen is, suppose you multiply with the 2, it will become 2x plus 2y is equal to 1 will come. Okay, so then the coefficients are not equal. 2y, 2x, here 3x minus 1y coefficients. Then you have to do one more step. So here, first you add the equations. And here look, find the value of x by y. Find the value of x by y. So how we can do this?
First we have to
Find the values of
to find
x
x
and
and
y,
y.
then
Yes.
divide.
Okay, so here I think in such questions the equations will be consistent in such questions. Okay, so you can simply check it, the a1 by a2, 2 by 3 is not equal to b1 by b2, that is 1 by 2. Okay? So in such case, method mentioned. So here use the substitution method. Okay, so this is substitution method. Okay, so you cannot add the equations for in this case. So if the question is to do with the substitution method, you should not do elimination method, right? Okay, sorry. So this second question also you cannot do so. Okay, don't add the equation because it is said to do using substitution method. So from the first equation or second equation, you want to find the value of one variable, and that value substitute in the second equation. That's how you want to do. Okay? Anyhow, you will get the value of x and y as the solution. Those value you substitute in x by y, you will get the value of x by y. Okay? Very simple. Okay, so this set also you want to do, and the last set is okay. This is little bit difficult. So in the last part of this chapter, we have studied some equations reducible to pair of linear equations. So how we can do the first one, the fifth question in this set? 5. Question number what? 5.
1 by 3x plus
y
is equal to b.
a.
Yes, 1 by 3x plus y you can choose as some variable name p or q or a or b. Some names you can choose. Okay, so how will be the first equation?
p plus
A.
q is equal to
Yeah,
p by
p
4.
plus
A
q. Okay, a plus b or p plus q, no problem. Okay, so p plus q is equal to 3 by 4, and second one,
p by 2.
P by 2 minus
okay, p by 2 minus
Q by 2.
Q by 2
minus q by 2 is equal to
minus 1 by 8.
minus 1 by 8. Okay, then you can remove the fractions by multiplying. The first one you multiply with the 4. So what will you get if you multiply with 4?
4p plus 4q equal to 12.
4p plus 4q is equal to
3.
3. Okay, the first equation will come like this. And second equation, if you multiply by which number?
8.
8. So what will come?
4p minus
4p minus
4q
4q
is equal to minus 2.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
minus 1. Okay, so now the questions of p terms are equal and q terms are equal with opposite sign. So if you simply adding or subtracting, you can cancel one of the variable, and yeah, then you can find the value of p and q. Then substitute the value of p and q in p is equal to 1 by 3x plus y and q is equal to 1 by 3x minus y. You can find out the values of x and y. Okay, so here what's this? 3x plus y not equal to 0 and 3x minus y not equal to 0. Why it is given like so? Why? That's because the division by 0 is not defined, right? Division by 0 is not defined. So if 3x plus y equal to 0, that means 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. So we can give such an equation. So 3x plus y cannot be 0. So that's given in the equation. Sometimes it may not be given, and also we want to solve. Okay, the second equation. So some of the equations, some of the questions in this set, you want to use some identities. You have studied a set of identities in n standard like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, etc. The sixth question, how we can do? The first equation is very simple, given that bx plus ay is equal to a plus b, a small equation. Okay? A second equation is a large equation, ax into 1, this much comes, the second equation. So how we can do? Any idea using any identity?
A plus b into a minus b.
Okay, a plus b into a minus b is what?
A square minus b square.
Yeah, a square minus b square. Yes, you can use that identity here. So how we can apply that identity here? How we can apply that identity here? Any idea?
No.
Okay, can you reduce these brackets? Okay, if you subtract, how will come the second equation?
1
ax
by a
into
square minus b square.
1 by not. Okay. So you want to cross multiply. What's the rule? A by b minus c by d. What's the rule? AD minus BC by BD, right? So 1 by is not true. So what will come?
A plus b into a minus b by m.
A plus B minus A minus B, right? So
A plus b
minus
A minus b
yes, A plus B minus A minus B by
divided by
A minus b into a plus
a square minus b square.
yes, that's A square minus B square, right? A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. We can write so. Okay, then plus BY into the second one. How will come? B plus A
plus a minus b minus a
minus B minus A by
B square minus a
square
square.
minus a
B
square.
square minus A square. Very good. B square minus A square is equal to 2A by A plus B. Okay, and here now you look. Okay, so this numerators you can reduce. Ax into, and the numerator, what will come in the numerator?
2b.
Okay, 2b will come, right? Because b, a and minus a you can cancel, and b minus b will become plus b. So b plus b will become 2b. So ax into 2b by a square minus b square plus second term by
Into
into
2a. 2a.
2a, yes, into 2a by b square minus a square is equal to what? Is equal to
2a by
2a
a.
by a plus b. So now we reduce the equation like this. Now you can multiply these equations by a square minus b square. A square minus b square, what will come? If you multiply this entire equation by a square minus b square, what will come? Ax into 2a by a square minus b square into a square minus b square.
Cancel.
Cancel out.
Yeah, this will be cancelled. And plus by into 2a by b square minus a square into, we are multiplying with a square minus b square, okay? A square minus b square is equal to 2a by a plus b into a square
Yes.
minus b square. Here we can write a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, right?
Yes.
So here we can write a plus b into a minus b. We can remove one step here, plus b into a minus b. So here a plus b and a plus b will be cancelled. And here in the middle term, b square minus a square in the denominator, a square minus b square in the numerator. Can we cancel these two?
No.
No, we want to make a small adjustment. Okay, so what is 5 minus 3 and 5 minus 3 answer? What's 5 minus 3 answer?
2.
2. And what is 3 minus 2 answer?
And
1.
Minus, not 3 minus 2, sorry. 3 minus 5. What is 3 minus 5?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. So if you subtract a reverse, what will happen is the result will become negative.
Negative.
Okay, 5 minus 3 is 2 and 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Okay, so here to adjust that, what we have to do is a square minus b square we can reverse. Well, how? We can write this is minus of b square minus a square. Okay, a square minus b square is equal to negative of b square minus a square, right? So what will be the 3 minus 5 is negative? It will become plus 2, right? So that's what 5 minus 3. Okay. So we can write 5 minus 3 is equal to minus of 3 minus 5. We can write so. So this a square minus b square you can also write minus of b square minus a square, and there you can cancel b square minus a square and b square minus a square. Here minus 1 will come. Okay, minus 1 will come in the numerator. So when you multiply those, or the last step will come like this: ax into 2a. Ax into 2a you can write as one step, right? So a will become a into a will become a square. So 2a square x. Okay, 2a into x will become 2a square x, then plus, not plus, here by into 2a into minus 1, right? So this will become
2ab.
yes, 2aby minus 2aby is equal to 2a is the short form. Then you can cancel for 2. I think the balance you can do. Now the equation reduced to a simple one, and you can compare, you can solve this equation with the first equation. 2a into a minus b is here, okay? 2a into a minus b, a plus b only we cancel. 2a is everywhere, so you can divide entire equation by 2a. Okay, then the balance you can do. Okay, and you can solve for a and b. Okay,